5 effective home remedies for muscle strain. Muscle strain is a very common problem that a lot of people face. The problem of muscle strain is basically caused if a particular muscle is stretched beyond the limit, which may cause it to tear off. A lot of factors are responsible for muscle strain, like fatigue, stiff muscles, and rigorous exercise. They can cause the problem of strain in muscles. The symptoms of the problem include soreness, swelling, pain, which can limit your movement. The problem sometimes causes a lot of pain, which is hard to bear. Therefore, it is very important to treat the problem. Here are some of the few home remedies for muscle strain. First, ice. The quickest and the easiest way to heal a pulled muscle is to apply an ice pack on affected area immediately. The cold will constrict the blood vessels, reducing blood flow to affected area. This in turn helps reduce inflammation and swelling as well as pain. Wrap a handful of ice cubes in a thin towel. Apply the ice pack to the torn or strained muscle. Do this for about 15 minutes. Repeat the process every 2 hours for the first 24 to 72 hours, depending upon your recovery rate. Second, elastic bandage. You can speed up the healing process of a pulled muscle with the help of an elastic bandage. The bandage will help reduce the amount of stress placed on the muscle, which in turn will alleviate swelling and pain. Buy an elastic bandage from the market. Gently wrap the bandage around the affected area. Do not wrap it too tightly, or it may interfere with the circulation. Loosen the wrap if the pain increases or there is swelling on either side of the wrapped area. Keep the area wrapped for at least 72 hours or until swelling and soreness is gone completely. This remedy is more effective when combined with ice. Third, warm compress. Applying a warm compress after the first 24 hours is another effective way to get relief from pulled muscle. A warm compress helps relax the muscle, which decreases muscle spasm and stiffness in the ligaments and tendons. This in turn leads to reduced swelling and inflammation. Soak a towel in hot water, squeeze out the excess water, put a warm, moist towel over the affected area for 10 minutes at a time. Repeat the process several times a day for 2 or 3 days. A warm shower or a bath will also help a lot to relax the pulled muscle. Fourth, Epsom salt. Epsom salt can effectively ease muscular aches and pains. Epsom salts are made up of magnesium sulfate. Magnesium is a natural muscle relaxant that helps pull excess fluid out of the tissues, reducing swelling and pain. Add 2 cups of Epsom salt to warm bath water. Soak the affected part of your body in the water for half an hour. Dry the area with a towel and wrap it with an elastic bandage. Do this once daily for few days until the strained muscles is healed completely. Fifth, apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar can also be used for treating sore muscles and leg cramps. The anti-inflammatory and alkalizing properties of apple cider vinegar help reduce pain and inflammation. Add 2 cups of apple cider vinegar to a bathtub of hot water. Soak the affected area in the water for half an hour. Do this once daily for a few days until you recover completely. Alternatively, drink a glass of warm water mixed with 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and some honey once daily for a week.